our countertop deep fryer. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, the length of 14 3/4 inches, a depth of 29 inches, and a height of 30 inches. Dual baskets, with each basket measuring 5 1/4 inches in length, 13 1/4 inches in depth, by 6 inches in height. Measurements apply for each of the 2 baskets. Right beneath the baskets is a steel plate. Located beneath the baskets are 3 heating elements. Okay. There will also be a clip located on the top of the fryer that will hold the baskets, along with the pilot and temperature control gauge, along with the drain valve. Located beneath the fryer, we have the ETL certification. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.